In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and customize your website using the tools available on Wix. Let's dive in and explore these simple steps to enhance your site's navigation and design. To begin, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to locate and click on Edit Site. This action takes you directly to the editor, where all the magic happens. If you're aiming to spruce up the organization of your site, go ahead and select Manage Menu. Here, you'll find your pages neatly listed, offering a clear view of your website structure. Next, consider adding some drop-down pages. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance user experience. Under Menus and Pages, simply drag a page slightly under another, and voila, you've created a drop-down submenu. You can repeat this step to categorize your content effectively. Now, if you're looking to really impress your visitors, you'd want to create a mega menu effect, a new method introduced in 2025 on Wix. Instead of a basic list, use strip or box elements to craft a wide drop-down panel. You have the creative freedom to add text links, images, icons, or buttons inside this strip, ensuring each item links to the appropriate page or product. Once your mega menu is ready, setting triggers for these drop-downs is crucial. You can customize the design by selecting your menu and choosing whether the drop-down should appear on hover or click. This intuitive choice helps guide visitors through your site seamlessly. Following this customization, spend some time to style your mega menu further. Tweak fonts, colors, spacing, and hover effects to match your brand's aesthetics. Introducing background colors or images to your dropdown adds an extra layer of visual interest, while organizing content using columns within the strip offers a clean and professional look. Before making your menu live, it's wise to test things out. Click on Preview in Wix and give your mega menu a thorough run on both desktop and mobile devices. It's particularly important to adjust for responsiveness to ensure your mobile users have the best possible experience. Once you're satisfied with your design and functionality, it's time to make your changes official. Click Publish to set your newly enhanced mega menu live. Celebrate your work on improving your website's navigation and design. Lastly, click on Done to wrap everything up, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized Wix's robust tools to enhance the navigation and look of your website. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy showcasing your beautifully organized site to the world.